Hi, my name is Björn, and I'm responsible to drive the sustainability agenda and strategy at EOS. Our purpose is responsible manufacturing, and my task is to ensure that we're on the right track to achieve it. Responsible manufacturing is our approach to create a more sustainable future. And including sustainability in everything we do is what motivates me. Sustainability has many layers. It is a journey, and we cannot achieve this alone. That's why in this podcast, I will be on my way to meet experts, customers, suppliers, to learn from them what they are doing to achieve this together. And at EOS, not only our employees, my colleagues, are dedicated to this topic, but also our CEO, Marie.
The EOS vision is that we lead the world into responsible manufacturing with industrial 3D printing. We strongly believe that technology and innovation can actually help to save our planet and improve the way how we use our resources efficiently. And we know that conventional manufacturing technologies are very resourceful and inefficient. And we strongly believe that with our technology, additive manufacturing, we can do better and establish this as the new normal in the manufacturing scene.
So join me on this journey, meeting great people, interesting projects, fantastic applications, and let's make responsible manufacturing the new normal.